Perkenalkan, nama saya Rosi Amelia dan teman saya Muhammad Syafiq. Kami dari kelompok 10 dari kelas A2. Tujuan adanya artikel ini adalah mengkaji hubungan antara virus COVID dan industri pariwisata. COVID-19 bukanlah wabah yang menyerang pariwisata pertama kali. SARS di Hong Kong, Ebola di Afrika, flu burung, flu babi, penyakit mulut dan kuku yang ada di Inggris telah menyerang industri pariwisata terlebih dahulu. Pergerakan perjalanan berkurang ketika penyakit epidemi pertama kali muncul, terutama dalam jangka pendek dan mobilitas dalam pariwisata terpengaruh secara negatif. Dari waktu ke waktu, wabah penyakit telah menyebar ke seluruh dunia dan berdampak negatif pada industri pariwisata secara luas. Karena perkembangan setelah Perang Dunia Kedua, terutama yang berkaitan dengan layanan transportasi, peluang orang untuk berpergian juga ikut meningkat, dan ini membuka jalan bagi epidemi untuk menyebar dan mendapatkan identitas global. Dengan demikian, ada interaksi bilateral antara epidemi dan perjalanan. Sementara pergerakan perjalanan mempercepat pecahnya wabah global, ini juga mempengaruhi perjalanan secara negatif setelah mencapai tingkat global.
The aim of the news is to investigate the relationship of COVID-19 and the tourism industry and how this relationship may change over time. The fact that the pandemic affects many areas of social and economic life has escalated the amount of news about its effect in different parts of the world. Information about possible effect of the COVID-19 pandemic in any area of the world can be accessed on almost any online news site. Tourism is one of the key areas of focus for information regarding the effect of the pandemic. Therefore, as the COVID-19 pandemic is believed to negatively affect the tourism industry, this and similar studies analyzing the possible effect of this pandemic on the tourism industry are considered important. The effect of epidemic disease on the tourism industry began during the epidemic period and continue until a certain period after the epidemic. Examining the effect of disease on travel motivation necessitates looking at epidemics that have a major media impact in recent years, such as avian flu and SARS. The coronavirus appears to have affected the travel industry first. Many flights were cancelled, borders were closed, and curfews were introduced. In this case, traveling was difficult at the national level but impossibly international. This produced output at both micro and macroeconomic level. It has been said the 50 million jobs in the travel and tourism industry are at the risk due to the pandemic. This situation is very clearly reflected in the result of the research. The research data in the second period show that the pandemic relations with the tourism industry have spread beyond the travel industry to different sectors. Okay, that's all from us that we can get from the news. Thank you very much.